After installing Helium Browser, you might notice that the start page looks very simple and empty, almost like a blank page. Because of that, many users want to customize the browser a little and make it look more personal. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set and change the wallpaper in Helium Browser step by step. First, open Helium Browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click on the three dots menu. After the menu opens, choose Customize Helium. This will open the browser customization settings, where you can change the appearance of Helium Browser. Now look for the option called Change Wallpaper and click on it. After that, you'll be able to choose a custom image from your computer. You can use almost anything as your wallpaper. It could be your favorite photo, a wallpaper you downloaded from the internet, digital art, or even an image created with AI. For the best visual quality, it's a good idea to use a high-resolution image, especially if you're using a large monitor. Once you select the image you want to use, confirm the change, and the new wallpaper should appear immediately in your browser. If you ever want to go back to the original blank look, you can simply click the Reset to Default button in the same customization menu. And of course, you can repeat these same steps anytime you want to change the wallpaper again and try a different image. You can also customize the browser colors to better match your wallpaper. Helium Browser lets you choose different appearance colors for both light mode and dark mode, which can make the overall design look much cleaner and more personalized. And that's basically it. As you can see, changing the wallpaper in Helium Browser is very quick and easy, and it's a nice way to personalize your browsing experience. If this guide helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.